So me and my friends were messing around in Roblox Bed Wars until one of them suggested that I should probably try using the Pirate Davy kit and win a game with it. So I went into my kit section and I equipped the Pirate Davy since it's free this week. And I went to go queue up a match and try to win a game with this kit. So the match was just starting and I just realized that I don't know how to use this kit. I never read its description. So I figured I could try figuring it out on my own. Surely it has to have some sort of special power, and it has to be OP because it's free this week, like Barbarian, like Farmer, like those are OP. So this one must be too. So I went into the section where you look at the shop items, and sure enough, there was something else, the cannon, and I thought this was really cool. But there's only one problem: I didn't know how to use it. I placed it down, and I clicked to aim. And then I clicked stop aiming at another team's base. And it didn't fire anything. Man, this kit is a scam. No one should ever buy this.